and welcome back to Brand DevOps. I'm back again with another KodeKloud tutorial, KodeKloud Engineer tutorial. Today I'm in Linux. Our task today is to install and configure hot proxy on LBR server using yum only. Make sure all app servers are added to the hot proxy load balancer, and the hot proxy must serve the HTTP port, the default port. Once done, you can access the website using the static app button at the top, which is this one right here. You see it doesn't work. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, I'm going to become a root user. Cool. Let's download and install hot proxy. All right, I'm gonna let this run and I will be back as soon as it's finished. Okay, we're back. The installation went just fine. So let's go ahead and configure the configurations for our load balancer. So we'll come all the way down here and we're going to add all of the servers to the backend pool. Seven, 2, 16, 2 through 8, 10. It's listening on 5001. That's where Apache or on all 5001 is one. That's where they're all sending connections to. From. All right. So 11. That is ST02. ST3. 7, 2, 16, 2, 3, 12. Move this final line. And also going to add a comment on these lines. Comment them out. Need to turn the backend port to listen on port 80. And I believe that's everything. So let's exit and save. All right. So let's start the high proxy server. And let's check the status. Okay, there is an issue with our third server, so let's look at that. Server 3 is down. Okay, I see why. I have the wrong port number here. All right. Let's just reload this. Let's check the status. Alright, so let's check the static app. And it is working. Let's validate the task. Awesome, there you have it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I have more videos to come, so give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.